My dear O-Level 2 students, in this video we go for the last type of geometrical transformation that you're learning in this year, chapter 6. Rotation. If an object is rotated, it undergoes a turning movement about a specific point, which is known as the center of rotation. So as you see in this diagram, for example, if it is the original object, as you see it is rotated. For example, this vertex is fixed, for example, like a pin, and it is rotated, as you see here is 90-degree clockwise in this direction. If you consider in this direction, so it is a rotation of 90-degree clockwise. Or if you consider this direction, it will be 270-degree anti-clockwise. In order to describe a rotation, we need to mention 3 points. First, the name of the transformation, which is rotation. Then you need to mention the center of rotation, the coordinates of the center of rotation, for example, origin, point 1 and 2, or whatsoever, and the angle of rotation. For example, here is 90-degree clockwise. Now, in this exercise, you are asked it says in the following, the object and the center of rotation have both been given. Copy each diagram and draw the object's image under the stated rotation about the marked point. For example, here it wants you to rotate this triangle 180-degree. So this is the center of rotation given in the question. Now, this vertex, which is center of rotation, is also one of the vertices of the triangle, so it remains the same. But here it says 180-degree. As it is 180-degree, 180 it doesn't matter clockwise or anti-clockwise. It doesn't matter for 180. So if you notice here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance from the center of rotation is 6. If you rotate it 180-degree, it comes here. But 6 units go to right, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It comes here, the image. The same for here. You make, using your protector, make an angle of 180-degree, but first measure this distance, see how much it is, then image will be exactly, for example, if it is, I don't know, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, whatsoever. So it will be again 6 centimeters, somewhere here from the center of rotation. So the angle will be located here. Look at the pointer. This, then this. Okay. Now let's go for the second one. It is 90-degree. It is 90-degree. So for example, this vertex, and it says clockwise. So clockwise we need to move. So here the distance from the center is 1, 2, 3, and 4 units. So it is rotated 90-degree, which comes in on this line. So but 4 units, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It comes here. You see, this vertex comes here. Then do the same for this one. Join it to the center. Join it to the center by a dotted line. Then make an angle of 90. Use protector, construct angle of 90. Then measure this distance. Measure this distance. Whatever it is, mark it here. So it gives you the other vertex. Then here, the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4. So make an angle of 90. It is clockwise, so it is in this direction. So if you make 90-degree clockwise, it will come here. It will come here. Then this one, again join it, make an angle of 90, then measure the distance, then mark the point there. It is rotation. Now let's go to another important point which you need to know. Sometimes in past paper questions, you are asked to find the center of angle of rotation. I will explain it in detail in the next video. Dear O level 2 students, in this video we go for the next part of geometrical transformation about rotation. In this video you will learn how to find center and angle of rotation. In order to find center of rotation, you need to take the following steps. First, for example, look at this diagram. ABC, for example, is mapped onto A prime, B prime, C prime. Then, choose two pairs, I mean one point and its image, and another point and its image. Okay, for example, A and A prime. A and A prime are two corresponding points. Join them, as you see in this diagram. Then choose another point, another pair actually, B and B prime. Be careful, they should be corresponding points. Don't join B to C prime, B to B prime. Okay, then join them using a straight line. So it will be BB prime. Then you have learned how to construct perpendicular bisector of these two lines. For example, AA prime. Put the pin of your compass here. Draw two arcs. It can be a continuous arc. Then from A prime, another arc. Then where they meet these two arcs each other, join them. This goes to this one. So it is perpendicular bisector of, if you look at the pointer, it is perpendicular bisector of AA prime. Now do the same thing for another pair, BB prime. Put the compass here, open the arms to draw one arc here, it can be continuous. Then put your the pin of compass here, another arc. Then join these 2 points of intersection. Then extend it. As you see, perpendicular bisector of AA prime and BB prime meet each other here. Do you see? They meet each other here. This point will be called the center of rotation. So, center of rotation. Now, let's revise the steps in these notes. First, join a point on the object to its corresponding point on the image. For example, AA prime. Find the perpendicular bisector of this line. Repeat this for another pair of points. For example, BB prime. Okay. It says where the two perpendicular bisectors meet each other gives you the center of rotation. And you saw this diagram. Now, in order to find angle of rotation. So first you need to find center of rotation, then using center of rotation you can find angle of rotation. So for example, center of rotation is found, which is here. For example, it's marked here. Then choose again one point and its corresponding in the image. For example, here C and C prime is used. No matter, you can use A and A prime or B and B prime. Then join both of them, C to the center of rotation and C prime to the center. Do you see? They are joined. Try to use the points which are closer. Then you need to construct smaller lines. Now, they are joined and measure this angle. Do you see? This angle is a 90-degree angle clockwise, or you can say 270 anti-clockwise, but mainly acute angle is mentioned, at most 180. So here the angle of rotation is 90-degree clockwise. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to send you topical past papers concerning geometrical transformations, which covers all the points you should know concerning geometrical transformations. Have a nice time, and thanks for watching this video.